Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 large, ripe tomatoes, 1 small carrot, and 1 celery stalk for a flavorful base. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of butter or oil and a small piece of fresh ginger for a subtle warmth. For liquids, have 2 cups of water or vegetable broth ready. Finally, season with salt, black peppercorns, a pinch of red chili powder, and about 3 teaspoons of sugar to balance the flavors. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your chopped 1-inch ginger, 1 small celery stalk, and 1 small carrot, sautéing for about 1 minute until slightly softened. Next, add your 6 chopped tomatoes, 2 cups of water or broth, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the tomatoes are completely soft. Once your vegetables are tender, let the mixture cool for about 10 minutes. This is important for safe blending. Carefully transfer everything into your blender and process until you achieve a completely smooth puree. For that restaurant-style, velvety texture, I highly recommend passing the puree through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any seeds or skin, leaving you with an incredibly smooth and luxurious tomato soup. Discard any solids left in the sieve. We're almost there. Return your smooth tomato puree to a clean pan and gently reheat it. Now is the time to perfect the flavor. Stir in about 3 teaspoons of sugar and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Taste and adjust the salt and sugar as needed to achieve your preferred balance. Let the soup simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your warm, comforting homemade tomato soup immediately, perhaps with a fresh basil leaf or a crouton.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.